it's Carol. Today I'm going to demo this Covergirl Essence Simply Ageless Skin Perfector Essence with 0.5 Bakuchiol, and I bought two colors. They were on sale, buy one get one 50% off, so that was good because it is expensive. It's $21.99, but the second one cost me half the price, so it was $31 for these two. But this time I bought light medium and I bought medium, and I mixed them together to get this. So I don't know why Laura Geller is so popular all of a sudden. This is her City Lights. This is an amazing, amazing, amazing lip gloss. It doesn't take off your long-lasting lipsticks underneath it. And I'm just curious, everywhere I look, Laura Geller is promoting her Bronze and Brighten. Wasn't that 20 years ago? It was too drying for me, but I do love her products. Her PR is like all over. I'm glad I tried this again because I really like it now. Yeah, I really like it. And I tried two colors, so I guess I'm not a light medium or medium. I'm kind of like a mixture of two. So I did buy the two of them and just do it with my fingers. Okay, so light medium with that finger and then medium with this. That's like, I think I'm gonna mix them. You saw me mixing it on my hand, and then I put it on with my brush. You can't judge by first impression. You have to give it a shot. And the first time I tried it, I didn't like it. But actually, now, it's much better. Maybe I had the color wrong. I need something to last all day because I don't want to be touching up. So far so good. I like the way it looks. But this was always my favorite lip gloss. Light medium and medium. Looks pretty good. We'll see how it works. My friend Rose, the over 70 makeup artist, she's going to be trying this now too, and I'm curious to see how she likes it. I'll put her link down below. Go check her out. She's just a sweetheart, sweetheart, sweetheart lady. She just started a new channel, and she is just the sweetest, beautiful lady. So, and her channel is growing, as it should. So, I'm curious to see what she thinks of this. So far, okay. I like it. Much better that I tried two colors mixed. The last time I didn't even put it up. It was just the light medium, and I didn't like it, so I'm giving it a fair chance now. And I bought 2 colors, and I think that was the right thing to do, to mix it. I think it looks pretty good now. I really didn't want to like it because it's $21 and I had to buy 2 of them. Oh, but in Rite Aid, buy one, get the second one half off. So that was good. So, yeah. Huh. Okay, so this is my review on the CoverGirl Simply Ageless Skin Perfector Essence with 0.3 or 5% bakuchiol, which is a form of retinol. Now I put it on with a light hand, and you don't think it's covering as you're putting it on because it's very transparent with the makeup beads in it, but when it dries you see that it gives you coverage. It really gives me coverage. I don't know why they're saying that they don't get much coverage. Hydro Fresh Tint. So these are the 2 colors. Light, medium, and medium. Okay, so, gets a thumbs up from me so far. We'll see how it lasts all day. And I did the same thing that I do with all my foundations. I put on a primer. I put this or this. Today I put this one, Milani Bright Side. And I spray with my Lumi Shake and Glow Dewy Mist. And because, oh, it's just beautiful. I've been wearing this e.l.f. number 3 and this Superstay Skin Tint by Maybelline. I love this combo. I love them separately or together. And now I've got the CoverGirl Essence on, and I think I like it. Thanks for being here. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and remember, you are beautiful. If no one's told you today, I'm telling you. And I'll see you in my next video. Mwah! Love you.